Hi, I'm Alexander and this is my colour of the month. First off, I want to show you this amazing style. So the style is an A-line bob, loads of movement, loads of layers. This is Finley in the Amore Collection. But let's have a look at the colour. So the colour itself is just wonderful. So this is Cashmere Brown-SR, but this is the NM version because this comes in natural movement fibre. So the natural movement fibre colours will punch a slightly different, and I say very slightly, different tone profile. Okay, some colours you'll see it a little bit softer, a little bit more muted, maybe less shine. But for this one, with the Cashmere Brown-SR, they're almost identical, give or take a little bit of softness here and there. I love this colour for so many reasons. I wanted to show you something that was very kind of natural as a base, but then with these amazing woven highlights throughout here. Now you could achieve this a few different ways on bio hair, with foils, with easy mesh, historically with a cap, but you have to really know what you're doing to get that kind of blend. That is amazing. So because of that, this new NM colour, NM, being the natural movement fibre, giving us the Cashmere Brown-SR. The SR stands for a soft root. Here she is, this is my colour of the month, NM's version of Cashmere Brown-SR.